Every day, millions of bottles and cans filled with soft drinks leave factories around the world and travel to stores, restaurants, and homes. What looks like a simple bottle of soda is actually the result of a highly controlled process involving water treatment, syrup preparation, carbonation, automated filling, packaging, and constant quality control. Inside a modern beverage factory, thousands of containers can move through production lines every hour. So how does ordinary water become a finished soft drink, sealed, labeled, packaged, and ready for distribution? This is how millions of soft drinks are bottled every day. The process begins with one of the most important ingredients, water. Large beverage factories receive water from an approved source and send it through several treatment systems. Filtration removes unwanted particles, while additional purification stages help control minerals and other characteristics that could affect the final beverage. The treated water is continuously monitored to maintain consistent quality. This consistency is essential because the same soft drink needs to taste the same every time it is produced. While the water is being prepared, another section produces the beverage syrup. Ingredients are carefully measured according to a precise formula. Depending on the drink, the mixture can contain sweeteners, flavoring ingredients, acids, coloring, and other approved components. Large stainless steel tanks combine the ingredients with treated water. Powerful agitators keep the mixture moving until everything is evenly distributed. The finished syrup is then filtered and transferred through sanitary pipelines toward the beverage preparation system. The treated water and syrup are now combined in precise proportions. Computer-controlled equipment monitors the mixture for temperature, concentration, and consistency. Once the correct formula is achieved, the beverage is ready for carbonation. Carbon dioxide gives many soft drinks their familiar bubbles. The beverage is cooled before entering the carbonation system because cold liquid can absorb carbon dioxide more efficiently. Inside the equipment, carbon dioxide is introduced under controlled pressure and dissolved into the drink. The result is a finished carbonated beverage ready for filling. At the same time, the factory prepares the containers. For plastic bottles, production can begin with small plastic preforms. These compact pieces are heated and transferred into bottle molds. High-pressure air expands the heated plastic against the inside of the mold, creating the final bottle shape within seconds. The bottles are then cooled and inspected before entering the filling line. Glass bottles and aluminum cans follow different manufacturing processes but are also inspected and cleaned before use. Regardless of the container type, cleanliness is essential. Now the empty containers reach the heart of the production line, the filling machine. Containers move continuously beneath precision filling valves. The carbonated beverage flows into each container under controlled pressure, helping preserve the carbonation. Within seconds, an empty bottle or can becomes a finished soft drink. The line continues moving at high speed, filling hundreds or thousands of containers in a short period. Immediately after filling, the containers move to the sealing station. For plastic bottles, automated machines place and tighten caps. For cans, metal lids are sealed using precision equipment. The seal must prevent leakage while maintaining the internal pressure of the carbonated beverage. Automated systems monitor the process and remove containers with sealing problems. Next comes labeling. Bottles and cans pass rapidly through automated labeling machines. Labels are positioned around each container and can include product information, ingredients, nutritional details, barcodes, and production information. High-speed cameras inspect the labels to make sure they are correctly positioned and readable. Quality control continues throughout the production line. Automated inspection systems check for missing caps, damaged containers, incorrect labels, and incorrect fill levels. Samples are also taken for laboratory testing. Technicians can check characteristics such as carbonation, acidity, concentration, and other quality parameters. Only products that meet the factory's standards continue to packaging. The finished bottles and cans now enter the packaging section. Automated machines group individual containers into multipacks and cases. Cardboard packaging, plastic wrapping, or other protective materials are applied around the products. The completed cases then move toward robotic palletizing systems. Robots arrange the cases into stable layers, building complete pallets for storage and transportation. Wrapping equipment secures each pallet with protective film. At this stage, the production line has transformed individual drinks into organized shipments that can be moved efficiently through the supply chain. Inside the distribution warehouse, thousands of pallets can be stored before shipment. Forklifts and automated handling systems move products between storage areas and loading docks. Orders are organized according to destination. Some drinks may travel only a short distance to local stores, while others can travel hundreds or thousands of kilometers through regional distribution networks. Eventually, trucks leave the factory carrying finished soft drinks toward stores, restaurants, and distribution centers. What started as treated water, carefully measured ingredients, carbon dioxide, and empty containers has become a finished beverage ready for the global supply chain. The entire process depends on speed, precision, sanitation, and consistent quality control. From water treatment and syrup mixing to carbonation, bottle forming, high-speed filling, sealing, labeling, and robotic packaging, every stage is carefully coordinated. When millions of containers leave a factory every day, even a fraction of a second matters. Behind every bottle or can is a combination of food science, mechanical engineering, automation, and industrial manufacturing. This is how millions of soft drinks are bottled every day, transforming simple ingredients into one of the world's most recognizable packaged beverages.